Train right now, 2031 and 10 combined. While leaving 23rd Street right now. We have to see my name. See ya. What? 2031.